What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris. This is 4K Motoring, and it has been a week since we left our 2022 Ducati Multistrada in Birmingham, Alabama at Big No. 1 Motorsports after I had a wheel bearing failure, and I still do not have it. I wanted to give you guys a quick update on where we are in this process and some of the frustrating things I've learned. Stay tuned and let's get into it. So I'm going to make this video pretty quick. To give you the facts, I had a wheel bearing failure in my rear wheel. If you guys haven't seen that video, it is linked above here. And it basically welded my wheel to the brake caliper mount and caused a bunch of damage. It was towed to Big No. 1 Motorsports as I was on my way from Austin, Texas back to Raleigh, North Carolina after the MotoGP races, where it sat for a little while until they were able to get a look at it. Took about a week for them to get to it. No fault on their own. It was dropped on them. I don't blame them. But when they were able to actually get in touch with the extended warranty company, this is a 2022 Multistrada. It has a 2-year factory warranty. When I bought it, I bought an additional 3 years, so 60 total months, 5 years of warranty through the Ducati Everred program, which was marketed as basically a factory extension warranty. Turns out that may not be exactly the case. So I'll leave a list here on screen of all the things that were found to be damaged. It's quite a list. The shop said it was about $5,000 just in parts alone, no labor. So quite the extensive repair. If you didn't know, the rear rim itself from a Ducati Multistrada is almost $2,000, which is insane in my mind. When they reached out to the Everred company, we found out it is not actually a Ducati warranty. It is still under the Volkswagen Financial Services here in the US, so kind of Ducati, but a totally separate program, and it has totally separate exclusions and coverages, which is kind of weird. It's not really what they marketed as, and I think that's a little bit deceptive on Ducati's part. When they reached out to the warranty rep, they said basically, we'll cover the wheel bearing, that is a covered part, but the rest of the damage it caused is not something we're going to cover. Which shocked me a little bit. They called it consequential damages. Now, looking through the actual definitions in the contract for what they consider consequential damages, those are things like loss of use and trip interruption, stuff that are secondary and unrelated, sometimes secondary fire, crash, other things that are not just damage caused by the damaged part. So I think we have a little bit of miscommunication just on that terminology, which seems like it's going to be a little bit difficult to fight. That was until I got a copy of the contract, looked through it, and found there's an explicit statement based on the warranty that I have that says they absolutely should cover this. I have heard from a lot of you guys online, on the forums, on Facebook, and through my videos that have had similar wheel bearing failures. Some happening as early as maybe 5,000 miles, some closer to the 20, 30,000 mile limit. But a lot of these wheel bearing failures on these Multistrada V4s with the double-sided swing arms. Clearly it's something that Ducati has to know about. It can't be a surprise, and it can't be something that is just unknown. And it seems like most of you guys that have this happen while the bike is still under warranty have had no problem having Ducati cover all the damages, replacing the wheel, everything that was damaged they replace under the factory warranty. So basically I want to ask you, has anybody dealt with the Ducati Everred extended warranty and had any success or problems with them? Because I'd like to know about it, because clearly it is not exactly what I thought it was and not what Ducati is marketing it as. Just to keep you guys updated, I still, after giving that information to the warranty company, to the dealership to try and get to the rep, I still have no answer whether this is going to be covered under warranty or not. I went ahead and contacted Ducati as well, just to see if, because I'm just so close to being out of warranty, if this is a known issue or if they have any guidance on it, and I've not heard back from them either. Hopefully in the next couple days I'll have something tangible that says I'm either getting this covered or not, but either way it sounds like it's going to be quite an extensive fix, and I really hope at least something's covered by warranty. That said, just in case it's not covered under warranty, if you guys are in the market for a new helmet communication system or a brake-free helmet system, check out the links down below the video here. I can save you a little bit of money on getting these products, but the sale helps me out and gives me a little bit of money in my pocket to keep making these videos. Likewise, if you guys want to assist to the cause, you can consider subscribing. Even a 1-month subscription will help me out in making sure that I get this bike back so I can make some videos for you guys. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any tips or suggestions for dealing with Ducati or this Everred extended warranty program, please let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll keep you posted soon.